Transform your influence into a business. The creator economy is booming with over 200 million creators. The influencer market is set to reach $528.39 billion by 2030. What's holding you back? Live streaming is the key to success. Engage with your audience directly and create genuine connections. Live streaming lets you interact, answer questions, and build trust. Treat your audience like friends to win their loyalty. Track engagement easily and start streaming without editing hassles. Live content stands out. Algorithms favor it, boosting your visibility. Imagine multi-streaming. Go live on multiple platforms to reach more viewers and grow your followers. Invest in quality streaming gear for the best experience. Engage with fans outside streams and collaborate with brands you love. Stream at optimal times, prepare efficiently, and be authentic. Your audience loves your unique personality. Live collaborations expand your reach. With Restream pairs, stream to both your channel and the brands for maximum impact. Expect increased views and engagement. Successful influencers like Ninja and The Rock are benefiting from live streaming now. Start with Restream, the ultimate influencer tool. Stream to multiple platforms, engage live, and record sessions for later. Live streaming is a game changer. Join the revolution to unlock your potential as a top influencer. Ready to elevate your game? Visit Restream now.